Hi everyone, I'm back with another amazing recipe. We are making almond and hemp milk. I hear people very confused about which milk to have. Cow's milk, A1 milk, A2 milk, some ghee milk and goat's milk. We're coming up with such different ideas which is really not needed and which is actually making all of us sick and giving us a lot of diseases because milk needs to be pasteurized. It has a lot of pus cells. It has so many ailments which it is bringing, and we can get rid of them and we can avoid them completely by just getting into plant-based milk made at our own homes, in our own kitchen, the purest one. And we do not need to be worried what have been added because we are making it in our own kitchen. We can add the sweetness according to us and flavor it the way we want. Let's start the recipe and you're gonna love this milk. Here we're gonna be using 10 almonds. I'm putting them in the blender. Dates, I've used 4 dates. Almonds were also soaked and even the dates have been soaked overnight. Hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon. Add little water and let's blend it. Now, this is going to be a little thicker. So we're going to add more water. With the water, I'm going to be adding cardamom. This can be according to your taste. And some kesar. Quantity can be how much you want. Let's check if it has been blended well. Oh, that's amazing. This is a little thick. If you want it a little more liquidy, we can add little water. It's good to keep checking how thick it has become, and sometimes the sizes of the almonds and walnuts, almonds and dates. Our milk is ready. Smells so good. Did you see how simple it is to make just a glass of milk, and we do not need to be worried at all. Enjoy making it. Please share if you have enjoyed making it and you like the taste. Do share the recipe with people and leave your comment too. Thank you.